morning. So this is my first video of unboxing mystery dumpling. So I just got the paper out. So let's go open it. What is it? Is it? It's glitter. Look, it's glitter. I have gonna be a collection of this. It's literally glitter. It's glitter. Look. It's glitter. Glitter is my favorite. It's gonna be so rare. It's jade glitter. Just look. It's jade glitter. So let's set this up at the freezer. It's a good cold. I wanna just out. This is so good.
Ito na sila mamala mo. Para makakain ka ng maayos. Anong gusto mo? Kaya mabili ng tinapay. Anong mamala mo? Pabangunin mo para mabilang ka ng tinapay. Ikulit.
Just hold down.
Hindi ko kasi mamala. Nagalang pa na siya. Tinapay ang gusto mo?
Apa.
Maya.
It's just
Hugas ako. Singin ko. Pandesal.